Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 1.2. In the book, the question is incorrect. So, the correct question is this: x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So, we can write it as x power 4 minus 2x cube, split this minus 2x square into minus x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Now take common x square from these three terms. We get here x square minus 2x and minus 1, and take minus 1 common from these three terms. We get x square minus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Now take common x square minus 2x minus 1 from these two terms, so here remains x square minus 1 equals to 0. Now take this x square minus 2x minus 1 equals to 0 and x square minus 1 equals to 0. So it will become x square equals to 1, shift the 1 on the right side, and taking square root on both sides, so here we get plus minus 1 under the root. This root cancel with the square, we get x equals to plus minus 1. Apply here quadratic formula. The a value is 1, the b value is minus 2, and the c value is minus 1. Using quadratic formula, we have x equals to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now put the values here. Minus 2 plus minus under the root minus 2 square minus 4. The a value is 1 and the c value is minus 1 divided by 2. The a value is 1. Now here we get minus into minus plus 2 plus minus under the root minus 2 square, we get 4, and minus into minus plus 4 divided by 2. We can write it 2 plus minus under the root 8 divided by 2. Look, under root 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 under the root. So take 1 2 out of the root and left 1 inside the root. So we can write x equals to 2 plus minus 2 under root 2 divided by 2. Take 2 common. Here we get 1 plus minus under root 2 divided by 2. These two cancel with this. So we get x equals to 1 plus minus under root 2. The solution set is plus minus 1 and 1 plus minus under the root 2. Now look at exercise 1.2 question 1 part 14. Look at here, x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 plus 1 equals to 0. So 1 plus 3 we get 4, 2 plus 3 we get 5, 4 plus 1 we get 5. So we will arrange this in such a way that 2 plus 3 5, first we will write these two, and 1 plus 4 becomes 5, then we write this. Now multiply these two, x into x, x square, x into 3, 3x, 2 into x, 2x, and 2 into 3, 6x. Similarly here, x into x, x square, x into 4, 4x, 1 into x, x, and 1 into 4, 4. Now add these two, 3x plus 2x equals to 5x, and 4x plus x equals to 5x. Now look here, the first two terms are common. So take y equals to x square plus 5x. So put here, we get y plus 6 and y plus 4 plus 1 equals to 0. Now multiply these two, y into y we get y square, y into 4 we get 4y, and 6 into y we get 6y, and 6 into 4 we get 24 plus 1 equals to 0. Add these two, we get 10y, and 24 plus 1 we get 25. Now split this 10 in such two terms that by adding which we get 10y, and by multiply we get the product of these two. So we can write 10y into y plus 5y plus 5y. Now take y common from the first two terms and 5 common from these two, y common from these two, and 5 from this. So here we get y into y plus 5 plus take 5 common here, so we here remains y plus 5. Now take y plus 5 common, so here remains y plus 5. So take this equals to 0 and this equals to 0. Shift the 5 on the right side, we get minus 5. Now look, these two are minus 5, and we have supposed earlier here that y equal to x square plus 5x. So put the value of y here. So we get x square plus 5x equals to minus 5. Shift 5 to the right side, we get x square plus 5x plus 5 equals to 0. Now apply quadratic formula. By applying quadratic formula, we will put here, look, the a value is 1, the b value is 5, and the c value is 5. Put these value, so we get x equal to minus 5 plus minus under root 25 minus 20 by 2 minus 25 minus 20, we get 5. This is the solution set. Now look at the next part, 15. It is similar to these parts. Look at here, x plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 5 into x plus 7 plus 16 equals to 0. I have solved it for you. Take the screenshot of this and learn it. If there is any problem, so then we can discuss it. Now look here, we get this equation, and then by applying quadratic formula we get it as minus 4 plus minus under root 5, and this is the rough work. For under root 20 we get this.